Hi everyone, I'm Sahil. I'm the CPO here at Lokalise, and welcome to the very first edition of Shipped by Lokalise. Well, in this edition, we're very excited to share updates that make localization smarter, faster, and more connected than ever. From AI-powered translation intelligence to seamless design integrations and flexible workflows, our goal is simple: help your teams go global with confidence. For nearly a decade, we've been on a journey to turn localization into an element of every company's strategy. We're building a product to help companies break language borders and build a world where choice isn't limited by language. And Shipped by Localize is your front row seat to that evolution. Each edition is a snapshot of how we are solving real world challenges, pushing the product forward, and shaping what the future of localization looks like. Well, let's start with design, because that's where localization should begin. Figma is where ideas take shape, and Localize is where they actually go global. And with Figma Buzz, these two worlds now work even more seamlessly as one. And this isn't just a connector, it's a shared workspace where product, design, marketing, and development teams stay perfectly in sync. Previewing translations, refining messaging, and adapting designs before even a single line is shipped. Designers can see exactly how translations fit in context, so nothing breaks at the last mile, reducing design work by 70%. And marketers can ship campaigns 2.5x faster across markets, confident the messaging lands in every language. Developers, on the other hand, can avoid costly last-minute rebuilds and keep the release pipeline moving, cutting engineering hours spent on localization fixes by 40%. The results speak for themselves. Teams save an average of 9 hours per feature and accelerate the launches by, say, about 90%. Together, Localize and Figma make localization part of the creative process, not just a step that slows it down. Well, now let's talk about AI, because speed means nothing without quality. Our new AI-powered translation scoring, following MQM standards, shows you instantly which strings need human review and which are good to go. No more guessing, no more over-reviewing. Your reviewers can now focus where their expertise matters the most. So translation quality quantified. And because brand voice is everything, we're also introducing custom AI profiles. One size fits all doesn't work for translations. So now AI can learn from your tone, your style, and context. Using advanced retrieval augmented generation, popularly known as RAG, your translations don't just sound accurate. They sound unmistakably you. And that's what matters. Let's proceed. Localization shouldn't slow you down. It should move as fast as your business. And our improved workflows are built to do just that. Schedule, automate, and manage translations exactly the way your teams work. Whether it's expanded scheduling triggers, time zone support, or one-click language selection, every detail is designed to reduce the repetitive tasks and keep projects flowing. We've also completely reimagined our bundles. The new packages are transparent, flexible, and scale with your growth, with AI-powered translations included in every single plan. No hidden costs, no surprises. Just simple, fair pricing that grows with your team. And well, this is just the beginning. We're building the future of localization. Imagine every translation, every update, every workflow flowing automatically from marketing campaigns to product releases, all powered by AI behind the scenes. Because our goal is simple: to make localization so effortless, so integrated that your teams barely have to think about it. And we're just getting started. So this was just a quick look at what's new in Localize this autumn. Explore the updates, dive into the demos, and see how these new capabilities can help your teams launch faster, scale smarter, and go global with confidence. Thank you for joining, and welcome to the next chapter in the future of localization.